Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Casio AE-2100W. As you can see, I have a small defect right here, so the display doesn't show everything correctly, but it is now 12:40 and 54 seconds. So in order to arrive at your home screen, we are going to press the mode button and we are going to go past all the other settings such as the stopwatch, and we are going to arrive right here where we have the time and date displayed. In this position, what we want to do is to press and hold the adjust button, and as you can see right now, the seconds are going to be flickering. If I press the search button, they are going to reset to 0. So now I'm going to use the mode button in order to toggle between the different options, so the different features of the watch. Now I'm going to press once again, and here we have the home city, then we have the hours. So here I can go either one by one, or I can also press and hold in order to speed scroll. I'm going to leave it at 6 or 7 p.m. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again, and I want to make it 10. I can also press the light button in order to go backwards. I can press and hold in order to speed scroll, so that is going to be very useful. And using the search button, I'm going to go in the opposite direction. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again, and here I have the 12-hour display or military time, so I can switch between 12 or 24-hour display. So I'm going to press the search button and I'm going to switch to 24-hour display. So as you can see here, I have 7 p.m. and now I'm going to have 19. So if I keep on pressing the mode button, I can select the year, the month, the day of the month, and then I'm going to arrive at the light settings, and then the watch is going to cycle back from the beginning. In order to finalize the process, I'm going to press the adjust button, and voila, all the settings have been saved. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to a full guide with all the functions and features of this particular model, so make sure to check it out. In case you enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. And also, if you'd like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video, so make sure to subscribe.